Micro Atx case, the AHT200. Just like our AHT600, you can get this case in black or white. This helicopter-style case sits at 44.4 centimeters tall, 28.2 centimeters wide, and 55.1 centimeters long. There are 3 3mm thick tempered glass front panels and 2 4mm thick tempered glass side panels. These side panels are hinged, making it easy to remove while building or cleaning. For storage, the AHT200 has mounts for either 3 2.5-inch SSDs or 2 3.5-inch HDDs that has a max thickness of 22mm. The case also has 2 hidden 2.5-inch SSD mounts built into the frame. The top panel can be removed to access the upper fan mount, which supports either 2 120mm or 2 140mm fans. Removing the faceplate will give you access to the modular bracket that can fit 2 120mm fans, 2 140mm fans, or if you want to cool your PC with an AIO, it can support a 240 or a 280mm radiator. The AHT200 can support a graphics card length of up to 320mm, power supply length of 180mm, and a CPU cooler height of 150mm. The case's I/O panel consists of a power and reset button, 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and 1 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port. Thanks for watching.
Smallest chassis in the Level 20 series, the Level 20 VT. This case supports up to Micro Atx motherboards, and its unique orientation of the motherboard tray offers native vertical GPU fitment. The VT supports custom LCS and AIO options, including radiator mounts in the front, top, and side, with fan mounts in 120, 140, and 200mm sizes. The top tempered glass panel has a gap to support airflow and can be interchanged with either side panels to allow additional airflow to an area of your desire. Store more with options for SSD and HDD mounting to store all your games on the go. To learn more about the Level 20 VT, check out the link in the description below.